Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account details and identity so support can process the change quickly. Call Stormfiber or log into the portal using your registered number. Provide account number and CNIC when asked. Make sure outstanding bills are settled, because unresolved balance often blocks upgrades. Once done, tell the agent the exact new package and any add-ons you want, so they can check eligibility and pricing immediately. This avoids back and forth and speeds the upgrade. Next, the agent will verify technical compatibility, which explains why you must know your modem model and current speed. They check line capacity and remote provisioning. If compatible, they apply the package change and calculate any prorated charge. If hardware or on-site work is needed, schedule a technician visit and agree on a time. Make sure to ask how long activation takes and whether your router needs rebooting. This step prevents surprises and sets clear expectations for service changes. Finally, activate and verify the upgrade. Reboot the modem and router as instructed, then run a speed test to confirm the new bandwidth. Check your account or billing statement to ensure the new package and billing date are updated. Save the confirmation ticket or reference number. If speeds are lower than expected, first reboot equipment and inspect Ethernet and power cables, because loose connections cause drops. If issues persist, call support immediately and provide the ticket number so they can escalate without repeating verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.